What's up, guys? It's Colt Dog here, and I guess I'm doing a video on my Airsoft gun. This is Colt 1911, as you can see. So yeah, here we go. I don't mind wearing this little jacket. And the 3 BBs were in there from last video I messed up on. And when I got another Colt. Oh, this one's out of ammo. There we go. Mount. One over here. Come on. Oh my God. This is not good. Okay, well, I'm out on it, so let's go see where it hit. Well, the 3, yeah, I think where it hit. I know that. I know it hit there. There and there. Let's turn it around. Okay, no, I guess I'm shooting this side. There's the other one. Ready? Go. We're out. Come on. Hit it there. Oh, you're getting a little close. Hit it there. Hit it there. Hit it there. Hit it there. Oh. And then I hit it over here. See, there's that BB on the ground. And I hit there somehow. That must have been from last time. Well, that's it. Please hit that like button and subscribe.